What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys, in my opinion, the best app here to buy Dogecoin with zero fees. Alright, and this is just the best app overall in my opinion. It's the one I've been using and I just love it because you buy it with zero fees and you have your wallet, right? It's not like Robinhood or other apps out there that really doesn't give you a wallet. This is 100%. So let's get to it. It's called Voyager, as you guys can see right here. It's called Voyager. If you guys have ever heard about it, it has really good reviews if you look at it in the App Store and Play Store. I'll leave a link in the description below. And also, if you use my code once you sign up, right, so you click the link, you sign up, and then it's gonna ask you for a referral code. If you use my code, you basically will get $25 free of Bitcoin, which you can sell later if you want, right? Because it can grow if you just want to keep it there, or buy other cryptos like Dogecoin. So after you sign up, use my code, which will be in the description below or even in the comments. You'll get $25 free of Bitcoin once you trade up to $100. And I don't think there's a time limit on that, but basically it's just free money right there, just for using my code, and I also get it too. So just letting you guys know about that. So let me show you guys here and try to convince you why I think this app Voyager is an amazing app, and in my opinion the best app to buy Dogecoin. All right, way better than other apps out there, because other apps, they take away a percentage fee, right? When you buy it, they take away a percentage fee. This app doesn't have that. It's commission free, which means when you buy Dogecoin, they're not taking away anything from that. They're not taking any percentage of your money. Zero fees, right? The only thing that I'm going to say right ahead of time is the spreads are not going to be as tight, right, like those other apps. But in the end, it doesn't really matter because we're going to be holding for a long time. So let me just show you guys right here. So right off the bat, as you guys can see, this app is really simplistic. And I love the fact that it basically lists each crypto based on market cap. So you guys can see here, Bitcoin obviously has the most market cap, so it's first, and it's Ethereum, and it's constantly changing. So let's say one day Cardano, ADA, gets more market cap than Ripple, then it's gonna go up, right? So you can just see which ones have the most market cap right off the bat. And so right here, Dogecoin. So all you do is you click on Dogecoin. Awesome. And I love the graphs here too. You can see the change basically in an hour. It tells you, it gives you the exact price actually from the change in an hour. You can see the day, you can see a week, you can even see a year, and you can see how much it's been changing. Obviously, as of right now, Dogecoin has been doing really good. So it gives a lot of good info. Average cost, this is my average cost. Total return so far, this is the bid, and this is the ask. Okay, so when you buy, you're gonna buy the ask, and as you guys can see, the bid is at 22 cents and the ask is 24 cents. So you guys can see the spread is a little bit wide, but there's no fees, right? There's no commission free. And to be honest, when I look at this and I see, would I rather have a really tight spread and have fees, or would I rather have no fees at all and a little wider spread like this, which is 2 cents more? To be honest, I'd rather have this because I'm gonna be holding for the long term anyway, right? And just paying a little bit more than what it's worth, in my opinion, it's gonna go up anyway, so I'm gonna be holding for a long time. So I'd rather just have that over the fees, which I can't get back, right? So that's just my opinion. And one of the amazing cool things too about this app is that they give you an interest rate, right? And this and each crypto in this app has a specific interest rate that you get monthly just by owning that crypto. And for Dogecoin is 2%. 2%. You get 2% just by owning Doge, which is, they actually have an amount here. If I go right here, so I'm right here in the crypto interest page, and as you guys can see, it tells you the interest rate for each crypto here. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin 6%. But the thing is, let's look at Doge for example here. Let me show you Dogecoin, 2%. All right, which is not bad. But the thing is, you need a regular monthly average of 5,000 Doge, which is not that bad. I don't know how much that is at the moment, but all you need is 5,000 and above, and you gain 2% interest rate just by owning Doge in this app. Which in my opinion, I think it's amazing because you're just racking up more money and more money is just easy income right there just by owning it. So it's definitely a good benefit. One of the other reasons why this app, in my opinion, is the best, along with 0 fees. So yeah. So back to buying Doge in this app is really simple. All you gotta do is click buy, and then you're gonna click the amount that you want to buy, and then you just click slide to buy, and then you buy it. Obviously I can't buy it right now, I don't have any money in this yet. You can also do a limit buy, which is pretty cool. So it's really that simple, guys, and it gives you so much information. Wow, I just love the simplicity of this app too. It kind of reminds me of Robinhood, but it's way better because you know, when you buy the crypto on this, like Doge, you get a wallet, right, which you can basically transfer it to other places. With Robinhood, you know, when you buy Dogecoin or other cryptos in Robinhood, you can't transfer it because you don't have a wallet, you know. So yeah, definitely check this app out. If you do like it, if I convinced you to get it, which is called Voyager, use my code below and you get $25 of Bitcoin, as you guys can see right here. And if you want to, you can sell that in the future, but it's just $25 free basically, right? So you might as well use the code. And yeah, if you guys got any more questions about this app, I've been using for a while now. It has amazing reviews. A lot of people talk really good about this app, and the good part is that it's pretty new. So definitely check it out, use my code, and if you guys got questions, leave it in the comments below, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.